cold.
But he's got glasses.
Okay. Yeah. Gosh, it's so cold out here.
The last one.
I hope this is the big one.
The 300, I switched it out.
Darn it!
Oh, I'm ready.
I don't think we have a choice now.
Dad's gone. He's gone.
Please.
Holy freaking crud. What was that?
It knocked out that light.
Oh my god!
Oh my goodness. That was a serious bang.
That's a third of what the 300.
That was amazing.
Let's
go check out this
one.
That was 100.
Oh, that's a substantial loss in the level of ground.
Either shook me or something just... Holy crud. That was so awesome. Oh my goodness.